University ya Dedan Kimathi ikinyitania na thothaiti ya area ya mwena wa Mukurweini nio magukorwo magikinyanĩria mũbango uyu mweru uria utanyitwo kwandandura thoko ya area mwena ucio niguo arimi aingi makorwo makigunika.
Ways of drinking our coffee, like flavoring our yogurt. I have had the privilege of tasting the yogurt, and if you haven't tasted that yogurt, you are really missing out.
Murugamiriri wa bodi ya university eno augite uthundũri umanite na ihoya ria ikaringi a mwena ucio ria kuria university eno macaririe kihonia kia mathina maria makoretwo magitungana na mũrimi uyu ta iria ria guthuka kumana na wagi wa thoko.
We've been challenged as institutions of higher learning to come up with research solutions and innovations that are solving societal problems such as joblessness, value addition, among others. Today's event is a living testimony of our response as a university to this rallying call.
Minister wa Urimi Peter Munyakiruguria mubango uyu ni akumite University ya Dedan Kimathi ni undu wa uthundũri uyu kuona ugukorwo giteithĩrĩria gutheremia urimi wa iria county-ini ya Nyerĩ.
So that tells you the potential we have here of value addition, improving our product, innovating, creating more products. Then we should be able to generate the wealth we require. We should be able also to be able to create jobs for our young people.
Mubango uyu ni wamukiritwo na gikeno ni arimi a county ino kuona riu thoko ya iria ni gukorwo ikiongerereka. Arimi a maugite thirikari yagirire kuongerera tabarĩra ta ici iria irateithĩrĩria kwambatiria gikiro kia iria.
Think of if it is orange flavor, like you did with coffee flavor, do it with orange, the original, the natural orange, so that our farmers who are growing oranges will not have any problem growing oranges because they know there is market for it. There is also the passion. The university can also do the same because we need to go passion way. We need to go banana way. You know, we need all the flavors.
Kahũa karia karitukanagio na Yoghurt ino karikoragwo kagethetwo mugunda-ini wa thukuru wa Dedan Kimathi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.